She can bring such misery. This little thing for the fool. The reason that's want to know. Baby, 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 baby. With a man, with a man. Loves, loves, loves. Asa ko ni Bakke. Loves, loves. With a man, thank you so much. Because mau gitu siya hinungdan nga gidakos Ginoo dito. Itong kantahan. Kaya ganin tanan, Ginoo may kabutan eh. And then I would like to thanks of course Vice Mayor and Mayor because ilaha kong gitratar sa unang mura ko nilang pamilya. And of course to all the buog, thank you so much being here, and of course invite me here, and of course part of the birthday celebrant na to karon si Vice Mayor. Thank you so much. Minakot ko nga dili mo matagbaw. Okay, let's gonna do a song. We had a lot of songs. Later on we're gonna dance. You wanna dance? Yes! You wanna dance with somebody? Oh really? Sanan ko no? Alright, this time, this is the original song. It's called Para Kang Baliw. Kaya't bakas ng mukha, nagkasalang ba ako? Huling kong araw, biglang pinutuloy. Lagi na naman tayo ganito. Gabi at araw ay nadarama ka. Bawat sandali iniibig kita, ngunit ismo'y hindi na nag-iba. Lagi na lang mali ako. Gali mo panis ay nakakainis. Para kang baliw, nakakaliw. Di mo lang alam, dapat mong malaman na aking mundo umiikot sa'yo. Di mo lang alam, ikaw ang buhay ko. Sa'yong simang nagkangiti ako, sadyang mukha mo'y kay ganda. Mali mong isip, ako'y nagsawa na. Ngunit di ba nangkay, di ko magagawa. Gabi at araw nadarama ka. Bawat sandali iniibig kita, ngunit isip mo hindi na nag-iba. Lagi na lang mali ako. Bakit mo panis ay nakakainis? so much. That was the original song. That was composed by Louis Tony Arman. And it's my second song. Is my